the key shift section. Now to activate the key shift, which is directly under the sampler, once again, let's press and hold the shift button. And now let's press the sampler button to activate the second row. Now, you see what's happening here? It's activated. So now we got, oh, let me press play. Each pad activates a different pitch. Let's play from the beginning. Let's play right here. That's the original pitch. Now we are going up semitones. We are going up a few more semitones. So you see, you can play with the keys of the songs live, and then this is back home. Remember, this is where you started. Yep. So that's the key shift.